Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're here, you've probably had the unfortunate experience of smelling a decomposing rodent. But don't worry, we're going to show you how to get rid of that dead mice smell like a pro. So grab your gloves, and let's tackle this funky challenge head on. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of that awful smell. Get rid of it! Locate and remove the dead mouse. First things first, we need to find the source of that nasty smell. Follow your nose and search in corners, under furniture, or behind appliances. Need some help seeing in the dark? Grab a flashlight or a black light. Found the little culprit? Great! But hold up, you'll want to wear gloves and a face mask for protection against bacteria and diseases. Remember to keep these on throughout the entire process. Now, pick up the mouse using a plastic bag and toss it in an outside garbage bin. Tie that bag tight to trap the odor. If the mouse is in a tough spot, you might need some help. A pair of tongs or a grabber tool can do the trick, just sanitize it afterward to keep things clean. Air out the room. Next, let's get some fresh air flowing. Open up windows and doors to let that stale, musty air out. Too hot or cold outside? No problem, just crack the window for a bit and use your AC or heating to stay comfortable. To speed things up, bring in some fans. Place one near an open window or door, or position it to circulate air throughout the room. Got a ceiling fan? Turn it on. You can even use a portable air purifier to help filter out any lingering odors. Clean the affected area. Time to clean that smelly spot. Mix equal parts water and vinegar in a spray bottle. Give the area a good spritz and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Next, grab a clean cloth or sponge and wipe it down. Rinse with clean water and dry it off with a fresh towel. Is the mouse inside a wall or other tricky place? Call a professional pest control service, they'll know what to do. Warning, vinegar can smell strong too. If it's too much, just add a few drops of essential oil like lavender or peppermint to help mask the smell. Other methods to eliminate the smell. If the smell's still hanging around, let's try some other methods. Activated charcoal. Grab some activated charcoal and put it in a container like a small bowl or mason jar. If the smell is extra strong, use multiple containers. Leave them in the affected area for a few hours or overnight. Check back in a few days to see if they need replacing. Baking soda. Baking soda is a classic odor fighter. Test it on a hidden spot first to make sure it won't damage the surface. Then, sprinkle a generous amount on the affected area and let it sit for several hours or overnight. Finally, vacuum it up, being careful not to miss any spots. Vinegar. White vinegar can also help eliminate the smell in the air. Fill a bowl with it and place it in the affected area. Let it sit for a few hours or overnight, and replace it if it gets full of odor. Essential oils. Grab your favorite essential oil, peppermint, lavender, or eucalyptus are popular choices, and mix a few drops with water in a spray bottle. Spritz the affected area and let it sit for a few minutes. The essential oils will help mask the odor and freshen the air. Ozone generators. Ozone generators can be a powerful tool for neutralizing odors, but remember to follow the manufacturer's instructions and safety precautions. Ozone can be harmful to humans and pets if used improperly. Place the ozone generator in the affected area and turn it on. It'll release ozone into the air, which will neutralize the smell. You might need to leave it on for several hours, depending on the severity of the odor. During this time, keep yourself and your pets away from the room and seal off the area to prevent ozone from leaking into other rooms. After the designated time, turn off the generator and let the room air out for a few hours before re-entering. Call a professional. If the smell just won't quit, it's time to call in the pros. Professional odor removal services have the equipment and expertise to eliminate even the toughest smells. So there you have it, folks. Follow these steps, and you'll be on your way to a fresh, odor-free space in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If so, please like, share, and comment to let me know what you thought. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.